Ever just left something behind? Well, legally, that can be a big deal. We're talking abandonment.
Look, we all leave stuff behind, right? Sometimes it's on purpose, sometimes not so much. But when does that legally mean you don't own it anymore? That's the real question.
In legal speak, it's abandonment. The key words here are voluntary and intentional. It's a choice. Here's the difference. Losing your keys isn't abandonment. Purposefully throwing them away? That is.
And this whole idea goes way beyond just physical objects. This is where it gets really cool. Sure, you can abandon tangible things, like a couch on the sidewalk, but you can also abandon something you can't even touch, like the copyright to a song. For a creator, that means letting go of exclusive rights so anyone can use their work. So how does the law know if it's real abandonment? Turns out there are two clear rules. First, you have to actually intend to give it up forever, not just misplace it. And second, you have to do something that clearly signals that intention to the world. Okay, so why should we even care about this? Because it affects pretty much everything. It makes ownership clear, and it can even put valuable ideas out there for everyone. So the takeaway is this. In the eyes of the law, letting go is a really powerful action. It really makes you think, what's one right or idea that you would absolutely never abandon?